My name is Muhammad Kamran Attari. My question to Amir Sunnat is that people always look to be in a rush during Ramadan. You see impatience all around, whether it's iftar or traveling. So please guide us on the fact that how can we become patient? Ramadan is also the month of patience. One of its names is also the month of patience. So in this month, you observed patience from eating and drinking the entire day. So when it's almost the time of iftar, what's the point of being impatient now? So observe patience then too. So perhaps people don't get that much impatient when it's time to eat and drink. But on the roads, some people normally reveal their impatience in order to get to their destination quickly. They would perhaps even break the traffic signal. In a traffic jam, they would be horning madly and also be swearing. Not good. Sabr. Always be patient. In Ramadan, we are to learn patience and then practice it the whole year, in fact the whole life. So anyhow, impatience will not change difficulty into ease. If traffic's jammed, then it won't get clear by us talking nonsense. The traffic will remain jammed. So why shall we not become deserving of reward by observing patience? As by being impatient, we'll miss out on the reward of patience. And ma'adallah, if you commit another mistake in it. For example, someone's standing with his car and you became angry. You opened your door and started shouting at him, saying that move, give me way. So this scenario here contains sinful events. As this is hurting other person's feelings, it's humiliating him, so this shouldn't be done. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad.